Hi, Anna here from AMI Digital. We've been working hard to enhance your customer shopping experience and help boost sales. And today we're thrilled to introduce a fantastic new feature: Product Options. With Product Options, you can now display variant prices as product tiers. This, combined with a competitive pricing strategy, not only helps customers compare your product options, but also helps to potentially upsell customers on higher product variants. To set up the Product Options upsell, start by creating a new tier. Next, select Product Page in the Upsell location box. Under Upsell Type, you'll now find Product Options. Proceed to choose the desired products for the upsell. Then, select the variant type where you want pricing to appear. To customize the order of product options at your storefront, simply go to the Shopify Admin Products page. Find your desired products and adjust the sorting order by dragging and dropping the options as desired. Finally, select specific countries and schedule a date for the variant pricing to appear. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more great app updates coming soon.